A blown head gasket is one of the most serious engine issues, often leading to overheating, performance problems, and costly repairs. Understanding how to evaluate the condition and choose an effective solution is key to preventing further damage and restoring engine operation. The head gasket seals the combustion chamber and separates coolant and oil passages between the block and cylinder head. It must contain combustion pressure while maintaining proper fluid flow. When that seal fails, combustion gases, coolant, and oil can cross paths, leading to overheating, pressure buildup, and loss of engine efficiency. Head gasket failure often starts with overheating or long-term engine stress. Customers may report coolant loss with no visible leak, along with white exhaust smoke, rough running, or coolant being forced out of the system. Some vehicles will still run for a period of time, while others overheat quickly. And that difference in behavior is critical. It tells you how severe the failure is and helps guide the right repair approach. So, confirm the condition based on symptoms like coolant loss and overheating with no external leak, and then ask a key question. How long can the engine run before overheating or pushing out coolant? Now, if it can run about 15 to 20 minutes without overheating, Barsleek's permanent head gasket fix is a strong option for sealing minor to moderate failure. If the issue is more severe, stepping up to a heavier duty solution may be necessary. Barsleek's head seal blown head gasket repair is designed to create a durable seal, helping restore system integrity when matched correctly to the condition. Head gasket issues come down to sealing failure and severity. Identify the condition, then match it with the right solution.